Hello friends, good morning. Today's topic is about linear equation in two variables and simultaneously linear equations. Okay, let's see about the lesson plan. First, name of the student teacher, name of the guide teacher, name of the school, standard, subject mathematics, unit from algebra, topic linear equation in two variables and simultaneous linear equations. Then number of students and the date. Then first heading instructional objectives. General instructional objectives. The student acquires knowledge about linear equations. Acquires knowledge about linear equations. To know about linear equation in two variables and simultaneous linear equations. To know about linear equation in two variables and simultaneous linear equations. Next, understand the concept of linear equation. Understand the concept of linear equation. Develops their skill of identification. Develops their skill of identification. I'll show you in the clear shot, okay? I'll show you in the close shot up. Specific instructional objectives. The student define linear equation in two variables. Define linear equation in two variables. Illustrate the example for linear equation in two variables. Illustrate the example for linear equation in two variables. Describe linear equation in two variables. Describe linear equation in two variables. Determine the ordered pairs from the given linear equation. Determine the ordered pairs from the given linear equation. Tabulate the ordered pair of linear equation. Tabulate the ordered pairs of linear equation. Draw the graph by plotting the points for linear equation. Draw the graph by plotting the points for linear equation. Explain about simultaneous linear equation. Explain about simultaneous linear equation. Evaluate the ordered pairs from the given simultaneous equation. Evaluate the ordered pairs from the given simultaneous linear equation. Chart out the graph from the tabulated points. Chart out the graph from the tabulated points. The next topic is about utilization of teaching aids. Chart and flashcard. Chart and flashcard. Previous knowledge of the learner. Next topic is about previous knowledge of the learner. Teacher verify the previous knowledge of the students through probing questions like. Teacher verify the previous knowledge of the students through probing questions like, what is linear equation? What is linear equation? Give one example for linear equation. Give one example for linear equation. Next one is motivation. The teacher motivates the students to learn about the concept of linear equation in two variables and simultaneous linear equation. Teacher motivates the students to learn about the concept of linear equation in two variables and simultaneous linear equation. She has written the topic on the blackboard and underline it. Next topic is about methods of teaching. Then we have to do 4 partition. First partition is specification of behavioral objectives. Next one is content. Next one is teaching learning experience. Then last one is evaluation. In the first box, in the first row, first box, define linear equation in two variables. The next box, the linear equation in two variables is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a comma b and c are real numbers. Both a and b are not 0. In the bracket, the two variables are denoted here by x and y, and z is a and c is a constant. The next box, the teacher defines the concept of linear equation in two variables. The student listen silently. The last box, define linear equation in two variables. In the second row, first box, illustrate the example for linear equation in two variables. Illustrate the example for linear equation in two variables. We have to give some example. First one is 2x plus y equal to 4. Second one is minus 5x plus 1 by 2 equal to y. Third one is 5x equal to 35y. In the third box, the teacher explains the example for linear equation in two variables by using blackboard. Then we have to paste the black chart, write it inside linear equation, bracket 2. Then at the bottom write the student observes the class. The last box, give one example for linear equation in two variables. The next box, in the next row, first box, describe linear equation in two variables. In the next box, if an equation has two variables, each of which is in the first degree, such that the variables are not multiplied with each other, then it is a linear equation in two variable. In the bracket, if the degree of an equation in two variables is 1, then it is called a linear equation in two variables. Next, in the other box, the teacher describes about linear equation in two variables. The students listen carefully. The next box, describe linear equation in two variables. In the next row, first box, determine the ordered pairs from the given linear equation. The next box, we have to write some example. The given equation is 2x plus y equal to 4. Therefore, y equal to 4 minus 2x. Then it continues. When x equal to minus 4, y equal to 4 minus 2 of bracket minus 4 equal to 4 plus 8 equal to 12. When x equal to minus 2, y equal to 4 minus 2 of bracket 2 equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8. When x equal to 0, y equal to 4 minus 2 of 0 equal to 4 plus 0 equal to 4. When x equal to plus 1, y equal to 4 minus 2 bracket plus 1 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. When x equal to plus 3, y equal to 4 minus 2 in the bracket 4 minus 2 into the bracket plus 3 equal to 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. In the third box, the teacher explains the need of ordered pass and find the ordered pass from the given linear equation by using blackboard. The students take notes in their note. The last box, what is meant by ordered pass? Okay. In the next row, first box, tabulate the ordered pairs of linear equation. Then we have to put one tablet column with 2 rows and 6 columns. We have to put one tablet column with 2 rows and 6 columns. In the first box, we have to write x value, at the down y value. X value is -4, at the down 12, then x value is -2, then y value is 8, then x value is 0, then y value is 4, then x value is 1, then y value is 2. If x value is 3, then the y value is -2. In the next box, the teacher explains and tabulate the ordered pairs by using flashcard. The teacher explains and tabulate the ordered pairs by using flashcard. Then we have to paste one flashcard. Inside write, if x value is 5, then what is the y value? Then the students take notes. In the last box, if x equal to 5, what is the value of y in equation y equal to 4 minus 2x ? In the next row, first box, draw the graph by plotting the points for linear equation. Then you have to draw some graph. Look at here. I will put it in the close shot. You have to draw this graph. Then we have to write the scale also at the right side. Then at the bottom we have to write. Look at here. One more time I am showing the graph. Then at the bottom, this clearly shows that the equation 2x plus y equal to 4 represents a line and hence said to be a linear. In the next box, the teacher draws the graph and plot the points by using the blackboard. The students understand the concept. The last row, the last box. In the last box, draw the graph and plot the points for 2, -3, 5, 6 and -4, -4. Okay, in the next row, first box, explain about simultaneous linear equation. Explain about simultaneous linear equation. The next box, the system of linear equations consists of 2 or more linear equations with the same variables is called simultaneous linear equations, or system of linear equations, or pair of linear equations. In the next box, the teacher explains about the simultaneous linear equations. The students listen with interest. The last box, explain about simultaneous linear equations. In the next row, first box, evaluate the ordered pairs from the given simultaneous linear equation. In the next box, we have to write some example. The given equation is 2x plus y equal to 10 and 3x plus 4y equal to 30. Then the solution is 2x plus y equal to 10, that is first equation. 3x plus 4y equal to 30, that is second equation. Therefore, first equation implies 2x plus y equal to 10 when x equal to 1, comma 2 of x plus 8 equal to 10. When x equal to 1.5, comma 2 of 1.5, 2 bracket 1.5 plus 7 equal to 10. When x equal to 2, 2 bracket 2, 2 of 2 plus 6 equal to 10. When x equal to 2.5, comma 2 of 2.5, 2 into 2.5 plus 5 equal to 10. When x equal to 3, comma 2 of 3, that means 2 multiply 3 plus 4 equal to 10. Then we have to write the x and y value. X value 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. Then the y value is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now second equation implies 3x plus y, 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y equal to 30. Then we have to give the x values. When x equal to 2, comma 3 of 2 plus 4 of 6 equal to 30. When x equal to 4, comma 3 of 4 plus 4 of 4.5, 4 into 4.5 equal to 30. When x equal to 6, comma 3 of 6, 3 multiply 6 plus 4 of 3, that means 4 multiply 3 equal to 30. When x equal to 8, comma 3 of 8, 3 bracket 8 plus 4 of 1.5, 4 into 1.5 equal to 30. Then the x value and the y value. Then x value is 2, then y value is 6, then x value is 4, the y value is 4.5, then x value is 6, then y value is 3, then x value is 8, then y value is 1.5. This is my election. In the election time they put some what is that, ink, no, that is yesterday I put the vote, so they kept that ink in my finger. That is the symbol of voting one. Next, in the third box, in the third box, the teacher explains about the ordered pass. I will put it in the close-up shot. I will show you in the close-up shot. The teacher explains about the ordered pass evaluation from the given simultaneous linear equation by using chart. Then we have to paste some chart inside. Write it inside. Evaluation of ordered pass from given simultaneous linear equation. Then at the bottom you have to write, the students keenly observes the class. In the last box, evaluate the ordered pass from the given simultaneous linear equation, question mark. Then 2 of x minus 5y equal to 2 and 3x plus 4y equal to 0. Then in the next row, first box, chart out the graph from the tabulated points. Then we have to draw some graph like this. Then we have to write the scale also. I will show you closely. Then at the below we have to write, the equations we consider together is such settings make a meaningful situation and are known as simultaneous linear equations. In the next box, the teacher chart out the graph from the tabulated points. The students listen with interest. In the last box, chart out the graph for 2, 6. Next one is 5, -3, and next one is 4, 8, -4, 8. 2, 6, then 5, -3 and -4, 8. Then next one is summarize. The teacher summarizes the overall concept of the graph. The teacher summarizes the overall concept of the graph. Then next one is follow-up activities. The next one is follow-up activities. Check whether 5, -1. Check whether bracket 5, -1 is a solution of the simultaneous equation x minus 2y equal to 7, x minus 2y equal to 7, and 2x plus 3y equal to 7. 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Then we have to write the signature of the guide teacher on the signature of the student teacher. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like it, share it, comment it, and subscribe the bell button for further notification. Thank you. I hope this will be useful for your B.Ed classes. Thank you.